one of the wildest nights of my life in Hanover, Germany, with Heinz Wetzler, who had been thrown out of the Scorpion, a band, a rock band during that era.
Probably thrown out for partying too much. Well, we'll be back in a few minutes with our guest mentor, the Steve Jobs of wine, Paul Hobbs, discussing success and happiness. You'll find all of our show notes and links at thementorsradio.com. When you're there, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our shows. This is Dan Hesse, and this is the Mentors Radio Show.
Hi, I'm the executive producer of the Mentors Radio Show. Usually I'm behind the scenes, but I want to tell you about something special. If you're an entrepreneur like me, you need steady energy and focus. Here's my secret. I rely on science-backed, high-quality, bulletproof collagen protein and other bulletproof products. My sister told me about it. At feelgreat.vip, you can learn the health journey of Bulletproof founder Dave Asprey. Find out what sets these products apart from the rest. Nothing can replace the advice of your medical doctor. Good nutrition can absolutely enhance your mood, energy, and focus, like it did for me. The demands of business, not to mention important time with family and friends. Very special person. feelgreat.vip to learn more. This is Karen, executive producer of the Mentors Radio, and we're thrilled to have My Pillow back as a sponsor. All of us here are huge fans of Mike Lindell's products. When I got fed up with the chemical smell of other pillows, I figured My Pillow's made in the U.S. I'll give them a try. That was years ago. Now I own 6 pillows. I use their cotton towels, their 100% Giza cotton bed sheets, and I give them away as Christmas gifts. Every product has exceptional quality and attention to detail. Towels are thick, absorbent. Sheets are soft, smooth, high thread count. Our radio host Tom and everyone we know who's tried these products has the same experience. Use our code MENTORS to get a 60-day money-back guarantee and up to 60% discount. Go to mypillow.com/mentors. You must include the code MENTORS. That's mypillow.com/mentors, or click the banner on our website.
Are you a small to mid-sized business looking for a tax, accounting, or CFO level advisor to handle or guide your company's financial decisions? Consider KMLPC. KMLPC excels in creating easy-to-use, customized financial systems for small to mid-sized entrepreneurs and companies, especially nonprofits. KMLPC supports and protects their clients' vital interests, offering a wide range of accounting and bookkeeping services in addition to CFO guidance. They prioritize digital integration, and their exceptional staff will make your life and even taxes so much easier. Their client list is a who's who of nonprofits and entrepreneurs, clients who stayed with them for years and won't go anywhere else. So if you need financial or tax help for your business or nonprofit, contact KMLPC today at KML-PC.com. That's KML-PC.com. KML-PC.com, and mention the Mentors. And now, back to the Mentors. Remarkable CEOs challenge your thinking about life and business. Welcome back. This is Dan Hesse, and I'm with guest mentor, winemaking icon Paul Hobbs, discussing success. So, you've had success all around the world. You have wineries, as I mentioned earlier, we discussed, in each hemisphere, north, south, kind of east and west. Changes in what we're seeing in weather. We were just talking about today. You're in Sonoma and it's raining for like the 18th gazillion day. Up there this year. It's like rain constantly, and it's been dry. Are you having to change your winemaking plans, the grapes you grow, the wines you make, based upon changes in weather?
Oh, yes. Yeah, we adapt to the situation, and the weather always, being in the farming business, I actually feel blessed in California because despite all the changes or all the things that are happening, it's still relatively mild compared to, let's say, continental environments. For example, Europe has been much more challenging. In some villages, we weren't even able to make wine, for example, near Bordeaux in Qatar, and it's so difficult either with frost or too much rain or this or that. But yes, the fact, yes and no. I mean, in reality, grapevines are very resilient, and so especially older vines, once they're well established to their sites, they kind of, and the changes are, well, I guess we would perceive them as rapid, but I think for plants, they're not that rapid. But yes, we would modify our farming according to any number of climatic shifts.
So that's interesting. So the older the vines are, perhaps the more resilient they are. Almost like people, if you've been around the block a few times, you know, like a lot of young people in the last year, they've never seen the market turn down. And now they're getting the experience of learning how to manage that.
I think it's essential.
So, did I read that you were once a competitive ballroom dancer? Is that true?
Well, yes. How did you get that?
I've done my research.
Well, I didn't do very much of it, but I was taking some Arthur Murray classes, and then I enjoyed it quite a lot. And it was, but it was really before I started. Well, it was actually in the early part of my work in Argentina, and I was quite interested in the tango dance and some of the folklore dances that they were doing in Argentina. And there was, I had a Brazilian teacher, actually, who was teaching me tango, which was quite, so I made a few, mostly in the Bay Area. I didn't really leave the Bay Area.
Well, thanks, Paul, for joining us today. I feel like having a glass of Paul Hobbs wine right now. Paul has described the foundational role mentors played in his development and how one can work very long hours and also achieve happiness. Check us out on thementorsradio.com. You can also listen to us online on any device at any time on any podcast platform like Apple, Google, Stitcher, TuneIn, or Spotify. Join us next week at the same time for another edition of the Mentors Radio. Until then, Dan Hesse signing off. Remember, we're never too informed or experienced to stop learning.
It's been The Mentors, where remarkable CEOs challenge your thinking about life and business. To get more information about